Hi everyone, welcome to the Hyperlite Moon series video. This is the Moon series. So this one is the 70 watts at 8400 lumens, but the Moon LED wall pack comes in 4 different wattage options. You have 50 watts, 70 watts, 100 watts, and 120 watts with up to 15,600 lumens. So 130 lumens per watt. Brighter than your average wall pack light by far. In the box you have the manual, caps, screws, and a little Allen key, and an after-sales service card in case you guys have any inquiries or questions. So the great thing about this Moon series is that it has a dusk-to-dawn photo cell that's pre-installed. Very easy to remove, just unscrew, screw back in. The light itself is made of die-cast aluminium. So the powder coating is thermoset, so anti-corrosion, weather, never going to be a problem for this light pack. It is dimmable. 1 to 10 volt dimmers are usable, but they're not included with this purchase, but you can get one on our website. So how do you install it? It's very simple. You have 2 little screws here that you can just undo with the included wrench. Very, very simple. Okay, so once this is open, installation is very, very simple. Just take this apart, and all you need to do is the bottom plate, you attach it to the junction plate with the included screws, whoops. And then you just pop in the light. You reattach the cover, making sure that these things here are properly placed in. So we don't have a junction plate here, but you can imagine just setting it up. So again, just simply flip the cover, pop in screws as necessary, close the cover again, and then use the wrench. Very, very simple. Again, photo cell included, very easy to detach, and you don't have to unscrew it all if you don't need to. And yeah, that's the Hyperlite Moon series wall pack. Thank you.